How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and doing great at home. Today I have brought an interesting topic for all of you. It is the part of our creative writing. As we have learned the pattern of writing a letter, obviously our letters, applications, picture descriptions, character descriptions, these are all the part of our creative writings. So today, what are we going to learn? Come on, tell me. We are going to learn today about the character description. कि हम किसी एक कैरेक्टर की किस तरह से डिस्क्रिप्शन करते हैं. डिस्क्रिप्शन का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट इज कैरेक्टर डिस्क्रिप्शन? What is character description? करेक्टर हमारे पास कोई भी पर्सन हो सकता है, कोई भी एनिमल हो सकता है, कोई भी जो कोई चीज़ परफॉर्म कर रहा हो, दैट इज नोन एज अ करेक्टर. ठीक है. डिस्क्रिप्शन किस चीज़ को बहुत ज़्यादा इलेबोरेट करना, उसको बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल में डिस्क्राइब करना, दैट इज नोन एज डिस्क्रिप्शन. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द करेक्टर डिस्क्रिप्शन. Character can be any person's character, just like if you have any favorite character. We have our favorite characters in movies. कोई भी किरदार, उर्दू में तो हम character को किरदार कहते हैं, तो कोई भी किरदार, कोई भी character जो आपके पास हो. We have so many favorite characters in cartoons, just like your favorite character can be Batman, Spider-Man, Superman, or Fire Girl. Fairy tales. In fairy tales you can have any special character. Elsa and Anna, we all know about them. They are the girls' favorite characters. And what else? So today we will learn that how do we describe any character, any animal, any other person. How do we describe them? हम उनको किस तरह डिटेल में describe करते हैं? I have brought some characters for you. The first animal that I have brought for you all is a cat. So, I have not mentioned any class over here because the character description varies with the class. On a small level, at the level of class 2, class 3, in class 4, how do you describe? So, first of all, whenever you are in the character description or in describing any animal, what you have to see. At the level of class 2, you will describe its body parts, colors, shape, sizes, its features, so at the level of class 2, this is how you have to describe any character. उसकी body parts कैसे हैं? 2 legs, it has furs, it has whiskers, it also has tail. And what do we do? उसके features बताने हैं आपने, ठीक है. उसके colors बताने हैं. What pet do you have? It is a pet animal, it's a tame animal, is it a wild animal? आप उसके बारे में ये बताओगे, ठीक है. आपने उसकी shape बतानी है. You have to describe its size. This is how you describe at the level of class 2. But whenever you move to class 3 or to class 4, जब आप class 3 या class 4 के level पे जाते हैं, you have to add more details in it. आपने अपने level के accordingly उसके बारे में ज़्यादा बताना होता है. So, what do you have to add? इतना तो आप class 2 के level बता सकते हैं, ठीक है, at the level of class 2. But at the level of class 3 and 4, what do you have to do? You have to add. You also have to mention it. If you mention these, it is good, but you have to add the interesting facts have to add the interesting facts about your animal. अगर आप character description में आपके पास कोई animal है, आपने animal description करनी है, तो animal description में you also have to write the interesting facts. आपकी cat के बारे में, the pet that you have, या फिर if there is any cat, तो उसके बारे में interesting facts कौन-कौन से हैं? What are the interesting facts? So you also have to describe them. ठीक है? If you are doing the character description, आपके पास कोई और कैरेक्टर है, तो किसी भी कैरेक्टर के बारे में आप उसकी अच्छी बातें और बुरी बातें भी लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है? The good and bad things, good and bad things or habits. अगर आप कैट लिख रहे हैं तो आप कैट की अच्छी बात भी लिख सकते हैं. कैट की अच्छी बात यह है, इट मेक्स अस फील हैप्पी. I like it when it purr. ठीक है? The bad thing, it doesn't know where to poop, or it get disturbed जब हम इस तरह से कुछ करते हैं, या it get annoyed. तो इस तरह की चीज़ें, these are the words that you add whenever you are describing anything. Sorry. What else can you add? So whenever you are talking about any character, you can also add its pros and cons. Pros and cons क्या होते हैं? What are the pros and cons? Pros and cons are like the advantages and disadvantages of anything that we have. किसी भी चीज़ का advantage और disadvantage हमारे पास क्या होता है? ठीक है? अगर आप बैटमैन की बात करें तो बैटमैन का मुझे हमें या इस वर्ल्ड को ये एडवांटेज है, लेकिन बैटमैन में कोई ना कोई ऐसी बात होगी जो हमारे लिए डिसएडवांटेज भी हो सकती है. दैट इज नॉट गुड फॉर अस. ठीक है? तो व्हेनेवर यू आर डूइंग कैरेक्टर डिस्क्रिप्शन, you have to take care of all these things. At the level of class 2 you have to do like this, and at the level of class 3 you also have to add these facts. You have to add them. You just don't have to write these facts, but you have to add these things in your description. So this is how you have to write. One more thing, whenever you are writing, you must write in the form of paragraphs. ठीक है? जब भी आप लिखोगे तो you can write in the form of paragraphs. Paragraph 1, 2, 3. जो फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ होगा उसमें you will give all these details: features, body parts, color, shape, size, tame animal है, pet animal है, कौन सा animal है आपके पास, ठीक है, या फिर कोई कैरेक्टर है तो वो किस तरह का कैरेक्टर है. You will describe that in the first paragraph. In the second paragraph you can write interesting facts. In the good and bad, the third paragraph you can write this. और जब आप उसको एंड करने लगे होगे, जब whenever you are ending your paragraph, so you should always write the good and the positive things. ठीक है? Always end with positive lines. Always end your paragraphs with the positive lines. हमेशा जब भी अपना पैराग्राफ को एंड करते हैं तो आपने उसको हमेशा पॉजिटिव लाइंस में एंड करना है. उनके बारे में कोई अच्छी बात ही लिखनी है. ठीक है? Whenever you are ending your paragraph, you should always end it with the positive lines. Always try to divide your essay or your description in 2 to 3 paragraphs. And whenever you are starting, always start and always end with the positive lines. Okay? And you can add all of these things in your description. So what is your assignment for today? What you have to do, you will have to choose your favorite character, any character of your choice, and you will describe that character or that animal in your own words using all of these informations. Okay? At the level of class 2, you only have to describe its features, body parts, colors, shape and size. At the level of class 2, you only have to do this. But when I am assigning assignment to class 3 and class 4, you also have to add with this, you also have to add this information. You have to add the interesting facts about your animal or your character, the good and bad things or habits, and the pros and cons. in class 3 and class 4 you also have to take care of writing your essays in the form of paragraphs. Please remember, you always have to start it and end it with positive lines. So you have to choose your character by yourself. You will also asked to draw it. You also have to draw it as well, and you have to write it about it. And you are free to choose your favorite character. You are just not asked to write about any specific animal or character. You can choose any of it. So if you still find any confusion, you can ask me. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.